Let's cut across to updates coming in from Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh. A Congress delegation is right now headed to Sambhal. This despite the fact that no permission was given to them, but they're continuing their march now towards Sambhal district. Days after the riots that took place over a mosque survey in which 5 people died. Remember, that happened last Sunday. Since then, you've been seeing endless politics and political parties attempting to make a beeline to Sambhal district. A Congress delegation now headed there despite the fact that no permission has been granted. Samarth Srivastava is joining us live with more details. So on this, Samarth, you had a clear message coming in from the authorities that no political party, no delegation will be allowed in Sambhal, keeping in mind the current situation on ground and how sensitive it is. But we're hearing now that the Congress delegation is attempting to head to the district despite that.
Well, exactly right. The station has made it very clear that no political party, be it Samajwadi Party or Congress, will be allowed. And you can clearly see the visuals out here, how the Congress Party workers are having a word of exchange with the Lucknow police senior officers out here who have come here in a way trying to stop the vehicle of UP Congress Chief Ajay Rai. And you can clearly see, in a way, heated exchange of words between the police and the Congress workers out here at the UPCC, that means Uttar Pradesh Congress office. You can see how the police team are in a way telling the workers to stop here and follow the administration orders, while the Congress workers are stressed on the point that they have made the plan even before the order of administration to move Sambhal. Though it's worth mentioning, earlier the order was for 30th November. Later it was increased to 10th December. That means no public representative would be allowed at the Sambhal at this particular area. And now you can see the visuals out here, how the heavy police force deployed outside the Congress office. That's the gate of Congress Party office, where from one end you see the Congress workers trying to move at this particular position, while on the other hand the policemen are disallowing or stopping the Congress workers to move. While another picture coming from that particular area, where you can clearly see that they are raising some serious slogans. You clearly see the exchange of words between the policemen and the congressmen out here, which clearly depicts the situation at present, how the atmosphere is currently in Lucknow, where the heated exchange of words. You can clearly see that now they are moving. They are moving towards. You can clearly understand. Now they are moving towards, and these visuals are telling the story. And see how the policemen and the Congress workers, in a way, assembled here. At one end, Congress workers trying to move across the premises, while on the other hand, you can see policemen stopping these workers out here. So situation has turned a bit grim right here, where you can clearly understand how the policemen at one end are stopping the Congress workers, while on the other hand, at the gate, how the Congress workers are moving towards the portion the route which will lead to the area of Sambhal. And these visuals are themselves telling the story what actually currently is happening in Lucknow. After the heated exchange of words, Congress delegation is wanting to move, and this can clearly depict the complete situation out here. Senior police officers out here with the top congressmen, apart from Congress Chief Ajay Rai. You can see how the policemen are stopping the Congress workers. Cameraman Sanjay is showing you the visuals from the top to make you understand. You can clearly see the bus has also arrived at this particular position. The bus has already arrived to detain the congressmen to the Eco Garden. That you just to stop them to move to Sambhal, and that's what the orders from the administration clearly say, and that's what we are getting currently from the ground at the Congress office. These pictures telling the story of the Congress protest. Though it's not the first time we saw, now they are clapping and making slogans against the government, and this situation clearly tells the story what the atmosphere. We saw Samajwadi Party workers also with leader of opposition Mata Prasad Pandey tried to go, and now the Congress workers with these policemen, in a way senior police officers, ACPs, DCPs, all in between. The proper chaos happening here. Women, men, all suffering together in one frame. Cameraman Sanjay showing you the visuals from the top and telling the story how things are unfolding currently here. The atmosphere at the Congress Party office with the people out here, the Congress Party workers trying to move across this particular area while others are raising slogans out here. It's a massive chaos happening across at the Congress office. Clearly show the story how the things are unfolding here. As per the reports, the Judicial Committee also reached Sambhal yesterday and made inquiry about the things, and that's why they were stressing on the point. And you can clearly see क्या कहेंगे आप लोग को रोक रहे हैं क्या कहेंगे
ये इनकी गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी जाएंगे हम लोग
So that's what the Congress leaders out here are saying, that they will definitely go to these premises. As you see the buses out here, the heavy congressmen, Congress workers, large numbers, they are moving towards that particular portion to ensure that they would reach Sambhal, and the pictures telling the story about the condition, about the scenario out here in the Congress office. Heavy Congress workers are stationed out here. They will be detained out here and will be moved to the Eco Garden. And the pictures telling the story, what actually the situation out here at the Congress office. And clearly, you can understand how. क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
देखिए हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष संभल जाने की पूरी तैयारी में पूरी टीम, लेकिन योगी जी की पुलिस हमें रोक रही है। किस बात का डर है हमें ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। वहाँ पर ऐसा क्या वो हम लोगों से छुपाना चाहते हैं नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो उनका डर साफ साफ दिख रहा है।
So you can see that how the women Congress workers spoke to India Today and clearly said that the Yogi government is in fear, and that's why they are stopping. So these visuals are telling the story what currently is actually happening out here at the Congress Party office. So these visuals are telling the story what actually is happening right here. With cameraman Sanjay, Samaj Srivastava for India Today.